Welcome to the world of non-Newtonian fluid, the most mysterious kitchen mixture. If you gently dip your finger into the liquid, it goes right in, but try tapping on it and the surface instantly hardens. You can even mold it into balls which later melt in your palms and flow through your fingers. This liquid has incredible properties and doesn't obey ordinary laws. At rest, it's liquid, but under pressure, it becomes solid. All you need is starch, water, and a bit of curiosity. Mix them in a 1-to-1 ratio and you get a real non-Newtonian fluid. If you like, add some coloring and the slime will become colorful. You can play with it for hours and every time a new discovery. Tap it with a spoon, it becomes solid. Place the spoon on top, it will slowly sink. Roll a little ball in your palms, it will hold its shape. But as soon as you stop, it will flow away. Pass it through a potato ricer and get beautiful liquid streams. It's all about the molecules. Under sudden impact, the starch particles tightly compact, trapping the water inside. And when there's no pressure, the water molecules freely move between the starch particles, and the mixture becomes liquid again. The best science is the one you can touch with your hands. Play, experiment, and don't forget to like.